Hello, guys, welcome to another episode of Know Your Entrepreneur. Today, we have with us Zenil Shah, who is India's youngest BNI president. And further ahead, he's studying in third year doing finance.
That's right.
Do you want to introduce yourself to the audience?
No, you go ahead.
Okay, so I think we'll go with the questions because you'll know more about him. And so, first question: how did you start your own business? I mean, who gave you the idea, or how did it occur to you?
So, in the start, we were just three friends who, wanted to move into the event space, and we started with the first business, which was Infinity Entertainment. So, it was just a events company where we do open mics. There was no weddings, there was no corporate events like we have right now. But early in the days, it was just open mics, and with the first wave of open mics came in, that time only that we brought open mic to Thane. It was like that. In 2018, we started.
Okay, and what exactly did you talk about in like an open mic session?
We had like poetry, we had songs, we have battles, rap
Oh.
battles, and all, something like that.
That's
Yeah.
interesting. And how did you like? What is the important factor? Why did you start this whole journey of yours? And at what age did you start?
So basically, my father passed away when I was 17, and
Okay.
that was a major factor in starting my new business and becoming independent. So I started my business when I was 17 because I wanted to become an independent and not a load on my mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really nice. That's sweet. So, you have how many startups again?
So currently, I am working on three startups.
Mm-hmm.
The first is events company. We do corporate and weddings.
Yeah.
And second is media startup. So we take up marketing and sales project like digital marketing and sales. So we have Volt Technologies as a client. We have Sackware Builders. We have Sackware Organics Basket as a client. So our client base is like a big corporate side.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the third one?
So third one is a real estate business. So basically, it's a real estate consultancy. So we do individual housing also, and we also like if you are a landowner, okay. So and you have money, but you don't have any like building knowledge.
Okay.
So we will construct a whole building and sell it out and give it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get free business. How did you? I mean, who funded you for your new adventure?
So actually, the entire funding that is invested in my business, it is 500 rupees.
Really?
Yeah.
500.
So in 2019, 18, when I started with open mics, so the first investment which poured into the open mic was 500 rupees, because we did everything in a barter system. So we eliminated the whole question of funding.
Damn, that is something. And do you have like a marketing tactic?
No, I don't
all
have
your
a
businesses?
marketing tactic. I would rather say I have a networking technique because I like to network people, and through networking, I gain my business.
And how many people have you known since you started this journey? Like,
So there's not a question of how many I cannot count, because I get to know 3 to 4 new people a day, because I'm on so many networking panels like BNI, Rotary, Rotract. So it's like a
oh yes,
quite.
by the way, he is also the immediate past president of Thane Creekside. And what is how many hours do you work a day?
So there is no fixed time. Like sometimes I work 2 hours a day, sometimes I work 3 hours a day, sometimes I work 12 hours a day. If there's an event on the same day, then it's like a 24 hours non-stop work for me, because then I have to go back and forth with all my businesses.
Do you have a team like for your event?
Yeah, like I have a total of 5 employees, full-time employees under me, which are working from home right now.
Oh, so you work from home as well?
Yeah, so I don't work from home. Like I work from restaurant to restaurant. So that's the thing.
And what has motivated you?
So it's always like been supporting my family for that fact. Like I mentioned earlier, ki I don't have a dad. So like it all comes down to me in the future, like how I handle and how I grow up in the money factor. Ki how can I support my family? So that's always a great motivation for me in terms of like building and growing my businesses.
So, okay. And in future, do you plan on pursuing studies or continue with your own business?
So I don't have planned it yet. I will definitely take 1 year or two gap years after my graduation and look at how things are working on business side. And if there is a like potential growth in my businesses, then I will not pursue any education further.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are your ideals? Like, what do you aim for in this whole?
So basically, there are a lot of con people in the world who like don't perform what they commit. So it's always basic for me. Like I only commit what I can perform, and if I commit once, like I will provide you this in the business, then I will give you this if you are my customer.
So you're more like an action guy rather than
Yeah,
talking.
yeah,
That's nice.
Definitely.
That is something good. And how do you generate your new ideas for like all of your businesses?
So I don't generate like I don't sit like distinctly to जब तक मुझे आइडिया नहीं आएगा मैं उठूँगा नहीं यहाँ से. It's like I'm riding active or driving a car or in a shower. Like if I idea, okay.
And then you jot it down and
Yeah, I
just aim
just
for
jot it down and work for it.
Has being an entrepreneur affected your family in any way?
No, if anything else, it has encouraged my family to pursue their own dreams.
What's your favorite aspect of being an entrepreneur?
So again, like my favorite aspect of being an entrepreneur will definitely be networking because I like to meet new people and make contacts in different fields. So being in businesses like real estate and events, definitely makes it a reality to meet so many people. Like I meet 3 to 4 new people every day. So that's that's definitely the main aspect why I like business.
You're also a district head for the marketing team of
Yeah,
Eurotrack,
I'm
right?
a joint marketing director in the District 3142. Yeah.
And what exactly do you do there?
So basically, bringing partnerships and potential collaborations for the district for their events is what we do in
And do you
marketing.
train people under you?
In district
Yes.
marketing, no, but we definitely mentor, marketing BODs of different clubs, and if they have any questions, we do answer them.
Okay. And what is the most satisfying thing about your entrepreneurship journey?
So the most satisfying matlab the most satisfying moment will definitely be, a sustainable client, a client which tells other people कि मैं ये कंपनी के साथ स्टार्ट से हूँ. I've seen their growth.
Word of mouth.
Yeah, word of mouth publicity definitely. Because in the start definitely I had to move to the crowd and tell कि मेरा ये business है, please take my services and all. But right now I don't need to do. Definitely I need to do that, but not at the scale that I was doing earlier. Now people come अरे मेरे को इसने ये बोला तुम्हारा सर्विस अच्छा है. So that's the most satisfying part कि people know about a business from a third person.
And did you face any struggles?
Yeah,
I mean,
definitely.
obviously.
Yeah. So, as you know, in 2018 end, I started with my events business. But in 2019 December, COVID came in, and I had huge plans for 2020 in terms of my events business. We were going to move forth with concerts.
Okay.
Like we were in talks with major musicians. I cannot name them right now.
Okay.
But we were like we were going to build like a proper concert like Sunburn,
Okay.
and
oh my god.
like with like 10,000 people, 20,000 people under one
Damn.
roof. Yeah,
This pandemic really did something.
yeah, but it's still in our plan. Like concert is still in our plan. It's just delayed, nothing else.
Would you like want to give any advice for undergraduates who want to, go into entrepreneurship?
So it's just like you have to start, man. Like I did not know कि I will close this many clients as we in my businesses. Like never in my wildest dream I would have imagined that my events company will have a national award under my name. Because have you heard about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Awards?
Yes.
So it's a national award, and my company is now its official events partner.
Wow.
So yeah, we plan all their events and stuff. So next week actually it's APJ Abdul Kalam Awards, and major celebrities are gonna be there.
And you are also nominated for it?
No, no, I'm not nominated for it, but definitely I am the head organizer of that event.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have like a specific pattern or formula to like become a successful entrepreneur?
So I guess entrepreneurs don't be specific because in terms of a formula, because there are a new challenge every day and you don't have a single formula to beat all the challenges that you face every day. So you need a different formula every day. So no.
And how do you find motivation like to work every day and get up from bed and just work?
So really, like I'm not such an active person. Like in the morning, I wake up around 11 o'clock. I start my day around 11:30. But definitely, if I have an event the same day, then I'll wake up in the morning 7 o'clock. I'll be the first person on the ground to start the things. But when I don't have any event, so that day I like be आराम से सब कुछ.
If you had a chance to start your career over, what would you do differently?
What would I do differently?
Hmm.
Nothing as such because apart from COVID, there was nothing as such that really stopped my business, slowed down my business because it was a bad phase for event industry, as you might for
Yes.
obvious reasons. So yeah, nothing else. But I would have started a year ago, I guess.
And do you need like a particular skills to become an entrepreneur?
Definitely, like you need confidence, you need discipline, you need a proper where to say what and how to close clients. So you need some kind of experience and a skill set to definitely grow a business and talk to people.
And did someone like mentor you, or did you learn all of these on your own?
So from day one, it was just me.
Oh.
Yeah, so there was no person as in such who helped me through that. Obviously, there were people who I looked up to, like my in families only because I belong to a Gujarati family. So business is in my blood. You can say that.
Okay. And what are the key activities you would recommend to invest in?
So I am a stockhead. So I invest a lot in share market. So there you can go. I'm also lean towards crypto market, but I'm still studying the market and I don't want to lose money. That's why I'm not investing right now.
Okay.
So definitely crypto is something I will be looking forward to. But right now share market, so definitely.
And is there anything you would want like an advice to give to other people?
So advice will be definitely key. You have to go on the field to really do that. So if you have a dream,
Go and explore.
Yeah, just start. Just start.
Yes.
It's like it will be like day 1 to day 365, like this. So you just have to start.
Alright. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and share our video and bye bye.
Bye guys.